Welcome back to our channel. I'm Dean.
I'm Claire.
And we're CSS Cleaning.
One look and I breathe.
Okay, so we've just arrived. I'm going to take a walk around this property, see what state it's in. And you can have a look too. Let's go. This is the kitchen. Oh well, I expected it to be a bit of a mess. Okay, let's go through into the living room. Lots of rubbish lying around. Okay. What do you think?
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
She's like a skills.
Yeah. Yeah, we've done a whole lot worse than this.
Yeah.
I must say, beautiful view from this property. Little stream running right down here, all the way down here. See that? Lovely little stream. Beautiful area. Lovely views around here. Look at that, all the way down there.